Good afternoon, everybody. This is Amir Finches down at Batam. I'm near Golden Prawn seafood restaurant. Further up a bit, here's where they do the jetline skiing. Check out this place, awesome place indeed. And this right behind here is where they're gonna have the songbird competition today in the afternoon. You can see the arena, the white arena just behind, and there's a magpie robin waiting, to participate in the competition. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, folks, this is another murai batu down here in Batam who's going to be taking part in the competition. These are not the long jeans, but these are fighters, fighter bird. Look at him warming up. Bright and sunny afternoon indeed, Saturday afternoon. Check it out, guys. This is the murai batu competition, fighters competition, fighter murai batu. This is how they do it down here in Batam. This is good. This is good. I'm enjoying myself on a Saturday afternoon, down here in Batam. Just further up from Golden Prawn restaurant. Stay tuned, guys. So this is how they do it down here, guys, because you see, you wouldn't want the murai batu to be startled, when the judges, walk around below. It's much higher, so that's why they need the chair to hang the birds up on the arena. So the bird will be concentrating on the opponent instead of concentrating on the judge below. This is how they do it every parts of Indonesia. Look at the birds, man. Look at the birds. You see, folks, they have two stands here, one across, the other one right across the one below. So if the murai batu goes down to the bottom of the cage, they are disqualified. Okay, folks, now this is the beginning of the magpie robin session. They're just hanging up their magpie robin. Each round consists of 10 minutes, so you don't stress the birds, so you don't stress the ornamental birds.
Katanya tahu.
You see the height distance between the judges and the bird above them. Yeah? So this is a game not to startle the birds on top. Yeah? They'll be concentrating on the opponent instead of the judges who are walking down below the cages. This is how it's done in every part of Indonesia. Okay folks, this is the second round of Murai Batu challenge. Yeah? So this is going to be another 10 minutes, yeah, just like the rest. We had the first round Murai Batu challenging against the opponent for 10 minutes. Then was the Magpie Robin for another 10 minutes. Now this is the second round of Murai Batu's competition. It's going to be another 10 minutes. You see, I'm not going to hang out here and cover the whole competition. Yeah. So this is just to bring out the awareness of how it's done down here in Indonesia and many other parts of Indonesia. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Okay guys, if you guys want to know how to tell a good performing Murai Batu, yeah, you have to look at the way he display in the cage. Yeah? And this is one of them. It's a bit glary, but you know, you can see how the movement of the bird, yeah, and the posture. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, this is the end of the second round, yeah.